Krishna, Sade Pranam, Radhe Radhe. A very warm welcome to the day 57 of my YouTube channel, Dental Tips. Today's topic of discussion, today we are going to discuss about an Ayurvedic herbal gum paint, Ayurvedic herbal gum gel, which is called Spirogel gum paint. Now, what are the uses of this Spirogel gum paint? It is given by the dental practitioner to the subject in case of gingivitis. And gingivitis means painful bleeding, swollen gums, inflammation of the gums, which is hallmarked by rubor, redness, tumor, swelling, dolor, pain, calor, heat production, functionalisia, loss of function. So in these cases, we give this Spirogel gum paint. Now, when gingivitis is not treated timely, the subject does not get it treated timely, it will progress to another dental condition called periodontitis, in which the gums start receding and tooth becomes mobile. So in that scenario also, a Spirogel gum paint can be advocated by the dental practitioner to the subject. Now there is a condition called halitosis. Halitosis means bad breath coming from the mouth, foul odor coming from the mouth of the subject. In that scenario also, we can give this Spirogel gum paint. Now, what are the ingredients of this Spirogel gum paint and how they act? The ingredients of this Spirogel gum paint are some Ayurvedic herbs like neem, kesar and akarkara. Now, these herbs, they have a gum tissue tightening effect and anti-inflammatory effect. So, they tighten the gum tissue and they reduce the signs of inflammation. Another ingredient is clove oil. Clove oil has antiseptic and analgesic effect. By antiseptic effect, we mean that it will inhibit the microbial growth of microorganisms in the mouth. And so it has that effect. And when the growth of microorganism is inhibited in the mouth, there are lesser chances of infection or formation of pus. Another effect is analgesic effect. Analgesic effect, we mean that it reduces pain. Now, another ingredient in this Spirogel gum paint are some natural flavors like elaichi and peppermint oil and eucalyptus oil. These natural flavors, they also reduce halitosis. This peppermint oil, it has antibacterial effect and it reduces halitosis. Now, how does it reduce halitosis? Like many a times when we don't take care of our oral hygiene, that is, we don't brush 2 times regularly in a day, once after breakfast and once before going to sleep. What happens is that food particles, they will accumulate in our oral cavity, and between the teeth and some oral microorganisms present in the oral cavity, they will start acting on those food particles, accumulated food particles. They will cause the destruction of those food particles, putrefaction of those food particles, and volatile sulfur products will be formed, which will cause halitosis. So that is why, owing to these natural flavors, eucalyptus oil, peppermint oil and elaichi, this halitosis is relieved. So that's all for today. Thank you many folds for watching my YouTube channel. Jai Shri Krishna. Radhe Radhe.